You are going to love the 2016 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, stability control, power steering, cruise control, compass, trip odometer, child safety locks, power brakes, clock. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.